And I just had a fabulous run. I set a PR by a minute and a half.
I had a negative split, which is something I have been trying to achieve for 2 years.
I am simply faster and a better athlete because of ASEA.
Went down to a sports clinic and I got tested. I ran on a treadmill at an incline, got all my ventilatory thresholds and heart rates tested. And then I went on the product for 6 weeks. Returned to the same clinical test, had it all done. I was able to run faster, at a steeper incline, at a lower heart rate.
I feel stronger as rides progress, that my legs don't feel as fatigued. I feel like I have more energy and my mental focus gets stronger as the ride progresses.
Okay, you might not feel an energy rush, but you go out on a long hike, a long run, a long bike ride, a long swim, and you'll find the difference. You'll feel the difference.
So this allows me to actually go out and train, feel good, recover, train more often.
When I was introduced to ASEA, I was very impressed with the 3 components of endurance, recovery, and repair. Something you don't see in one product ever, especially at this level.
On his 40th birthday, Rich Roll found himself overweight and out of shape. But in just 2 years, he has reinvented himself and is now being called one of the 25 fittest guys in the world by Men's Fitness magazine.
What are you doing these days? You're surrounded by a lot of sports equipment. Tell us some of the things you're competing in.
Well, I'm getting ready right now for a race called the Ultraman World Championship.
There's a nutrient, I think it's to your right there that you're sitting here, and you're not paid to endorse it. What is it, and how did that work into this?
Oh, yeah, there's a product called ASEA, which is a stable, native to the body supplement that contains redox signaling molecules, which help regulate cellular health, help me bounce back quickly between my workouts, and help boost my endurance.
February 2012. Researchers at the prestigious North Carolina Research Campus Human Performance Laboratory make a startling discovery, one that answers some important questions.
So first, let's take a look at the blue dots. That's when we had some athletes drink placebo. It was a placebo. They didn't know if it was ASEA or not. The blue is when they drank that every day for a week. And then the red is when they drank ASEA every day for a week. Each dot represents a cluster of scores of metabolites that were measured in the body. Athletes drinking ASEA had what we call a metabolome, or a cluster of metabolites that were distinctly different than when they didn't drink ASEA.
With ASEA, I've noticed my training and my times in my meets have improved significantly. And learning about the research behind ASEA, I know that that just boosts my confidence and reinforces what I already know.
I've experienced all of these tremendous benefits over the past few years when I'm doing these world records, and maybe didn't understand it, but was fearful to go off of the product. And with these new studies, it's really helped me to understand why I don't get sore, and why I'm able to just lock in this strong pace and hold it for so long.
With ASEA, I know that I can swim faster, and it's nice to know that PhDs agree with me.